Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't had a chance to, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And while you are there, definitely take a look at some of our older videos, sure to find something you like. Alright, so today's video is going to be all about farmhouse style bedrooms. I definitely hope you enjoy this video. So farmhouse is all about using what you have. You see in this bedroom, they actually have an old, it looks like trough or wash basin that they turned into a foot bench or foot table or foot collect-all, whatever you want to call it. I just think this is so cute and really gives the room a really unique feel. So I absolutely hope that you all have enjoyed this video about farmhouse style bedrooms. Stay tuned for our question of the day. I'm giving a little pause to picking out my favorite rooms because really I want to hear more about you all's opinions on things. Our question of the day is a farmhouse style bedroom for you? Why or why not? Let me know down in the comment section. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.